actually assist you more so.
No, you're going to take me to Flower Hospital. Thank you.
They just saw you.
Yes,
and they let you go.
Okay, I'm going to take you to St. Charles.
You're not going to tell me. Okay, I'm not going to do this.
Stay in the car.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Deploy, sir! Hurry up! She's a runner! A sprinter track star! Yay! Jesus! Yay! Run it back!
Did you see, like, the license plate?
Oh!
Don Julio?
Don Julio make you like a folio!
Don Julio make you like a folio.
Hello! Hey, you talking about how you ladies? Hey, we on the same type of timery. Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? Back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. I hope you're having the greatest day, okay? I hope you're having the greatest day. Whether you're at that job you don't want to be at, but you really know you got to handle your business because you're a human in this earth, and it's some shit we just got to do. We might not want to do it, but we know we got to do it, and we take care of business. No excuses. Shout out to my people, okay? We about to tap into a video I got sent called 18-Year-Old Meets Karma After Spam Calling 911. Spam calling? Ain't that where you go back to back calling 911? Yeah, they might have an issue with that type shit. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my people, man. Before we get to the video, we got to check on our people's meeperies because it sounds like somebody's meeperies are a little bit off, okay? So let's check ours, make sure we're good before we get into some content like this. Get down in the comment section, man. 1 through 10, let me know how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section, man. Make sure you come hang out with us on Twitch tonight, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's West Coast time. And 9 o'clock up for my East Coast people, okay? And make sure you hit up the website. We just dropped a brand new couple of 4 shirts on the merchery. Come tap in. You're going to have the best merch for the summertime in the game, okay? With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video and see. Come on, 18-year-old, man. Just turned adult. You already don't know how to be an adult.
Hello.
Hi, are you Cecilia?
Yes, I am. Can you please come in?
You want to come take a seat in my car?
Yeah, that'd be better.
All right. Why don't we put the dog in here and then you can come outside?
Sounds good.
I don't like her little smiley too much.
She called.
Seems crazy.
She's called like 4 times total. So the solution, since the time that she got back here from Flower, my solution is to go to St. Charles. Is that okay? I know she's 18, so she can. Okay. St. Charles will actually care about her. Flower just does this all the time, so we're frustrated on that aspect. St. Charles will actually get her some assistance. Is she cool with you right now, or is she upset with you?
She hates me.
Okay. Her name's Cecilia, right?
Yeah.
Is that right if I come?
That's her
Hey,
mama.
Cecilia,
She hates her
can you
mama,
come
huh?
to my car and we can talk. That way we can talk privately.
Yes.
Okay. You want to go back to the hospital? Okay,
I
ma'am.
think I'm fine.
Ma'am, you're on 911. You're with the Sylvania Township Police Officers. 911. You can actually disconnect.
She's on the phone.
I would like
Oh
to be
my
continued
God.
on the phone while I tell an officer my story.
427 to 412, are you all
Can you
set?
please take me to someone else then, sir?
Negative. Start this way. Let's have a seat in here.
I was just there and they gave me a psychological assessment and they said that I'm okay.
Okay.
So
Why don't you have a seat for me?
I'm good to have a seat. I'm good. Are we gonna report a crime? Because that's what I'm here
We're
for.
working on it.
I'm not gonna talk to you unless we're here to report a crime and I can have someone
Well,
report
I'm
it.
listening to you, but I want to make sure that you're comfortable first and outside of the public view. That way I can speak to
I'm
you
not
privately.
comfortable with you.
Okay. So do you
So
want to
this
speak
is
to
the
a
public view.
Okay. So do you want to speak to a female instead?
I would
I'm
like
not
to speak
comfortable with
multiple
you.
people. I would. Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to speak to?
I have a crime to report.
Yes.
And why are you asking me like I'm the issue here?
I'm just trying to make sure
Is that
that
a
I get the
rhetorical
information
question?
correctly and as comfortable as possible.
Okay. Well, then can you please take me to the police station right now?
Okay. Why don't you put your seatbelt on?
Thank you. I will. Yes, I can, ma'am.
They still on the phone with her. I will say this. They said you just left the hospital, probably for a psychological eval. Whoever let you out, that mother said you was okay, needs to be fired. They need to go back and get rechecked on how to evaluate people because I can clearly see from my side of the view on the other side of this camera, ma'am, you're not okay. You hate your mother, and that little devious smile you got, I know that. I see it from afar. My situational awareness is very great. Thank you very much. Your condescending attitude, your narcissistic entitlement, yeah, I see all of that, baby. I don't know. I hate when people do that smile. Thank you. Oh, yeah, I don't trust you at all.
to the police station, so thank you so much.
Sure. Can I have your driver's license?
Why do you need that?
To see who you are?
Why do you need to see who I am? I'm going to be reporting the crime. Can you just take me there?
I'm not an Uber. I can take you to the hospital.
I've said who I am over the phone multiple times.
Okay. Cecilia, what's your last name?
That's my last name, sir.
Okay.
Can you take me to the police station right now?
What would taking you to the police station do right now?
I'm not talking to you. I'm going to call 911 again if you keep talking to me like that.
Okay, then that's misuse of 911, so, because you're already with law enforcement.
Then I'll go to the hospital and tell them my truth. That's
Okay, I'm
completely
offering
fine.
to take you to the hospital. That's what I'm trying to do right now.
Okay,
Can I take you to St. Charles
yes.
Hospital where they will actually care about you and actually assist you more
you're
so?
No, you're going to take me to Flower Hospital. Thank you.
They just saw you.
Yes,
And they let
did.
you go.
Okay, I'm going to take you to St. Charles.
You're not going to tell me. Okay, I'm going to
Okay,
record this.
stay in the car.
Oh my god! 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 Take your hands off me! Take your hands off me! Oh my god! Please take your hands off me! Take it off me, please! Take it off!
Officer, call for backup ASAPery. Okay? Please, guys, you see this woman on social media? If you watch this video, you see this, do not date her. Do not go anywhere near her. This is the type of woman, for sure, without a shadow of a doubt, 1,000%. Will say you touched her inappropriately, you did something to her, and then act this way, and they gonna believe it. Facts. Hell to the no, baby. What the fuck you on?
Take it off of me! Take it off of me! Take it off of me! Take it off!
Whoa.
Then you're going to sit in the
Take
back
your
of the
hand
then
off
you're
of
going to
me.
sit like an adult in the back of the car. You're 18 years old, sit in the back of the car.
I'm not your child, sir.
I know
I'm
you're
an
not.
adult.
You're an adult.
So you gotta
Exactly.
get your f***ing hands off me or you're gonna be
sit
an
your ass in the
assaulter!
fucking
You're
seat.
assaulting me, cop!
I'm
You're
not.
assaulting me, cop!
I literally
You're
have my
assaulting
hand
me,
on
cop!
this.
Get
Oh,
your
yeah, she
f***ing hand off my
crazy.
wrist. It's tied on my
She
wrist.
crazy.
Oh, you're taking my phone now! You're taking my... What are you doing? You're taking my shit now! You're using your power against me because you love it that much because you're that f***ing autistic?
Well, now you're under arrest.
Take me to the police station. Take me.
That's what I'm taking. Under arrest.
Take me. I'm ready. Get your f***ing hands off me and take me to the police station.
Oh, assault! Oh, baby.
This interaction is far from over.
I'm okay. I'm going to need some help putting some handcuffs on her. She's extremely upset trying to kick the back window and kick me a couple times.
Hell to the no, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry you're okay, you little asshole. You little f***ing asshole. I'm so glad you're okay after I kicked you, baby boy. Baby boy, baby boy.
She's going to jail now. So why don't you sit inside the house for him? Assault on a police officer, misuse of 911, obstructing official business, and disorderly conduct.
Baby boy. Baby boy. Aww. Aww.
Oh.
And then
Oh,
you had to
yeah.
use your power against me because you're that f***ing weak. You wanted to grab a woman. You wanted to grab a woman.
She has a water bottle in the back, vape, a couple other things. She did kick me, so she's going for assault and obstructing.
Okay.
She's a little bit squirmy, she's agitated, so we need to get those things out first.
Don't get the officer women hurt now.
You can try everything.
What's her name?
Cecilia.
You wanted to grab a woman so bad you're gonna grab an 18-year-old girl who's been raising her boys. You're f***ing the head for that. You're f***ing the head for that. Nah, you're f***ing... Baby boy, are you okay?
We can talk to her back here without opening the door.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. It's Officer Madeline and Officer Ashley.
I'm done, bro. She too crazy for me. I don't even want to do the reaction no more. She acting crazy. Act crazy in the camera. Hello. What? Ma'am, you were just crying, screaming, kicking, pouting, and you gonna turn around. Hello. Nah, baby. Take that Hannibal Lecter shit somewhere else. Officer, you need to explain to these women what they about to get themselves in. When she plays a little innocent, hello. Yeah, all right. Goodbye. I'm not listening. We take you to the jail cell, this psych ward, with a jail they keep you in there forever. Hell no.
Is the way I'm existing because my understanding isn't good enough for him.
Okay. Hi. It's Officer Madeline and Officer Ashley.
I would like to get out of get away from this man.
Listen, we're here to talk to you, okay?
Okay.
Will you talk to us?
So that's the problem.
Okay.
And so that's why I'm here existing as the way I'm existing because my understanding isn't good enough for him.
Okay. Listen.
I'm ready to go. I'm sorry. I'm
Hey,
just pissed.
Listen. Listen, my name's Madeline. I'm here for you, okay?
Thank you.
And right now, we're gonna be taking you somewhere, okay? And you're gonna come with us, okay?
Okay, well, where are you gonna be taking me?
Where were you taking me?
I was originally going to go to St. Charles.
Can I go to Flower?
Listen.
Listen. I want to go to Flower. Take me to Flower.
You were just at Flower, right?
I was, and then they said I was completely amazing and fine.
Amazing.
And then guess what? I had all these memories coming back
Okay. What memories did you have?
of my father assaulting me.
Okay.
As long as she's talking and not kicking, I'm fine with just keeping her back there. I didn't see any weapons. She just had her wallet, Stanley, so we need to get that Stanley.
Where's the Stanley?
And the vape. Stanley's in the back. I tried to get that, but I was only able to get her phone.
We're here, and our sergeant.
We're here. I don't care.
Well,
Take me to the police station.
Our sergeant just got here.
Good.
She's in the back. She has a Stanley and a couple other things in the back. Wanted to go to the police station. I said, no, we're going to the hospital. She demanded to go to Flower. I said, no, we're going to go to St. Charles. That's where it kind of went down. Tried to get back out. I tried to shut the door. That's when she kind of fell into the seat, the front of the seat there. Okay. I just put my hand on her wrist just to prevent her, and then it escalated to her kicking a couple of times. So she's got assault, she's got obstructing, she's got misuse of 911 and disorderly because she was extremely loud. Anybody around here could have heard it.
All right, you still want to go St. Charles pending charges?
That's fine, but she don't like me. I can take her, but she's probably going to try and break my car. I do have these, so this would probably be better for a transport.
I kind of think it was worth maybe putting somebody in back that she gets along with and just have both of you go.
Two-man.
Hog tie.
So she just doesn't like any of us right now?
Very hog tie.
Yeah, you don't have anything else to say?
No, I'm thinking, okay?
I know you're thinking. It's hard.
This is Sergeant Bottles.
Hello, Sergeant Bottles.
Hey, so we're trying to get you to the hospital.
I'm going to go to the police station to report a crime. If I'm not going to go to Flower Hospital, then I'm going to go to the police station.
Okay, it's either going to be...
Do you understand my understanding?
It's either going to be the hospital or jail.
Then take me to jail. I'm ready.
Okay, all right.
Take me.
We'll do that.
Okay, take me. I'm so ready. Let's do it.
Hey, let's do it. Let's get it.
10-5?
Yep.
Okay.
Take me to jail, boys. I'm ready. You've been wanting to lock me up since day one, huh? Well, here I am.
Oh, she got a vape.
Do a two-man here.
Still vaping in back with no handcuffs.
We're going to handcuff you. And as long as you cooperate...
You're going to handcuff me after I just got assaulted by that man.
Okay, listen. After we handcuff you, are you going to cooperate when you drive down there?
I'm always cooperating, sir. Yes,
okay.
sure.
So it was kind of rough earlier.
It was rough because I got assaulted by that man.
Okay, that's what we're going to do, okay?
Go ahead and spin around.
Oh, I'm ready. Don't even worry about it, Bottles. Don't even worry about it, Bottles.
Don't even worry about it, Bottles.
All of my stuff. Do you have anything else?
Loca.
I might have my phone. That man assaulted me, so it could have flown anywhere.
There we go.
We're going to put a seatbelt on you, okay?
Okay, do it. You got it, Mr. Bottles?
Is your water?
Thank you. Yes. You're so
And
sweet.
you lost the phone.
I sure did.
The phone's on the hood. I got it.
Can you find it, Bottles?
Your phone and water.
Can you find it, Mr. Bottles?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, you're so sweet, Mr. Bottles. Thank you so much.
Right.
You're the
We'll
best.
be cool going down there, okay?
Oh, I will. Thank you, Bottles. Thank you.
I'd like you in the back seat, though. So in case she's starting to do something, you can at least get him to stop and keep her control from not spinning. And are you good with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
The one officer's going to ride next to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Listen, okay?
So just be cool with her going down. We'll have no problems at all. All right? You need,
That's all I need, Bottles. What events did your daughter do?
my daughter.
Yeah, your daughter.
my daughter?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do, Bottles.
She's at Ohio State now.
Well, good for her. Queen, huh? Queen. That's some boss energy. She did it all by herself, huh? And she's in the hospital. What's she studying?
She is environmental science.
What? Good for her. Wow, she's doing good things, huh? Wow, that's impressive of her. I've always been proud of her.
Oh, good. I'll let her know.
Oh,
Man.
good. You proud of how you talk to me now? That I'm going to tell your daughter what you did?
I've talked to you decent the whole time I've been with you.
All right.
That's what I try to do with everybody.
Even people who just got assaulted by a police officer?
No.
Well,
There'll be video. There's body cams.
that's
We'll
good. I'm
review.
glad there is.
Okay, we'll review it.
Yeah, I know you will. So shut the door. Or don't. Come on in. Aw, now that I know his daughter, he doesn't want me to not like him. That's sweet. Reminds me of someone. My f***ing father. But good thing we're going to report a crime today. Multiple crimes, just like this officer right here. He's a crime in itself. I see me in the camera, I look cute. Hey FBI, hi Dad. Oh, you turned off the FBI camera? Bye FBI. How far is the police department?
Ma'am, I know you scared as fuck back there.
We're going to jail.
Oh, okay. How far is that?
It'll be about 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, good to know.
So we're almost there.
Ma'am, get the
You want to
fuck.
listen to me real quick?
Yeah.
We're almost there. Are you gonna walk in there nicely with me?
Yeah, I'll be good. I'll be good. Just not for him.
Well, he's gonna be with us, okay?
That's fine. As long as his hands aren't on me,
Okay.
and he's not screaming at me and pushing me down and pushing me into a police car and not letting me cook him out because I don't want his hands on me and grabbing my wrist tightly. As long as he's not doing that, then I will be so good for you guys.
Well, I'll be the one walking. Like, I'll grab your arm and walk you in.
Period.
Okay?
Period, girl. We in this together. Wait, can I sing a song? What should I sing? You pick.
Oh my God, bro.
Any song, like Twinkle Twinkle?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so bright, like a diamond in the night. Twinkle, I made it up. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You're not a star though, Mr. Sir. But this girl, she's a star.
Mr.
Alright,
Sir.
so I'm gonna have to get out, and then I'm gonna come around that
That's
side.
perfect,
Okay?
that's perfect. Hi, FBI. This is me speaking my truth. I'm sorry. My dad has an illegal business, and he's in the FBI. My dad has an illegal business.
Cecilia, you're gonna
Yeah.
walk in with me, okay? He's gonna walk behind us, but I'm gonna be with
My
you.
dad's an illegal alien. He's gonna have a warrant out for his arrest.
Okay? Ready?
When you have an illegal business and you're in the federal bureau, that's illegal.
Right.
Just so you know.
Cecilia, you're gonna walk in with me, okay?
I'm sorry. I was just speaking to the people.
Because of the high volume of 911 calls, please use the following directory. If you have symptoms, please hang up and call 612-188-6336.
911 systems get overwhelmed a lot faster than people think. Now, you saw that scene in Contagion where Matt Damon's character tries calling 911 after witnessing what looks like a murder, and the lines are overwhelmed. Now, that scene stayed with me because people forget misuse of 911 has real consequences, and this body cam is a perfect example of how fast these calls can change into something else entirely. That moment...
Facts. And we know it's a misuse. We know you can't call 911 like you call your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend back to back to see where they at, and you know they with somebody else getting upped and plucked and hammer tucked. We know that. Okay? We know that. We might act like we don't, but we did. That girl need help. Somebody look at her father, okay? Let's just double check to make sure this is not coming from somewhere else other than her just being crazy. I would not have rode in the backseat of that car. I'm just saying. I don't even think the male officer would have, okay? How that woman did it, she looked type scared, but she did it anyway. Because she didn't want to, like... Try down in the comment section, man. Let's have a real conversation, yo. Do you understand, okay? Some people in the world are not okay. And I need you to have some situational awareness. When somebody's not okay and you see something off, get the f*** out of there. Don't ask, oh, what's wrong? Are you okay, baby? No, you get the f*** out of there for you're not okay. I can only tell you. I can only tell you. What you do with it is up to you, okay? It's your boy Foosh. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. I love y'all like y'all love me. Let's keep on having fun. Let's keep on just watching the crazies be crazy. And let's keep on being the same motherfuckers, okay? Jeez, is that hard, difficult to do? Ma'am, go get some help. And you're not going to Flowers. You're going to St. Charles. Then you're going to jail.